everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 448 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a new brand to me. So this is Model's Own, which is a brand that I've never tried before. In all 448 days of trying a new makeup product, I've never tried anything from Model's Own. This is a brand that I'm very unfamiliar with. I'm not really sure I've heard of many of their products, and this was actually gifted to me, which was so exciting. This is the Cheat Day Lip Glaze in the shade Creme Brulee, which looks so pretty. I love metallic makeup, but definitely let me know in the comments down below what some of your favorite Model's Own products are. I was having a hard time even finding where to buy this brand anymore, so also if you know where to do that, let me know. But okay, I'm going to go ahead and start out by swatching it. So you get a small doe foot applicator, great for lip products. Oh, really not much of a scent to it at all. I'm getting like the slightest bit of like fresh scent. So it smells nice. Okay, look at this swatch. The way it's catching the light has the most beautiful metallic finish. And I cannot wait to see how this shade looks on me, because basically it's like a nude peach shade, but metallic version. So I am very excited about this. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and apply it to my lips. Applying this is basically looking like applying liquid metal. The shine to this is so cool. So that is one layer, and I feel like that is great pigment. It's looking fully opaque, but for the fun of it, and since this feels like such a thin formula, I am gonna go in with another layer. Wow, this did not even need another layer. It really doesn't even look any different. It still is the same color, the same shine. Wow. I feel like it looks like I have the glossiest lip gloss of all time on my lips, but actually it's a liquid lipstick that's dried down. I feel like this dries down in the perfect amount of time because it gives you enough time to perfect it, smudge your lips together, and apply it where you want it to, but then it dries down relatively quickly. And now let's see if it's already, yeah, like it's already completely dried down, that there is no transfer. That is amazing. I love lip products that don't transfer. And this is seriously unlike any other color that I've ever worn before. And I like it. It's definitely different, and I feel like it needs the certain type of makeup look to go with it, where I feel like it needs like a dramatic, dark, smoky eye and more of like a going out, dramatic type of makeup look. This isn't just a throw on anytime type of lip shade for me, but it is still so pretty and it feels comfortable on my lips, and it is just like the shiniest metallic lip product I've ever tried. It's such a cool finish. I feel like this is such a great formula, and I am really looking forward to incorporating this into some really cool makeup looks in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.